I look like Mr. Bean.
No, you don't.
Yeah, that's an air freshener right there.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So I thought we would do this snack box unboxing really laid back, like I don't care. I get a lot of comments that you guys like candid videos, you like the no makeup thing, God knows why, but it's here. So,
I got nothing
and
on.
the no hair thing. We've got our Universal Yums snack box, which if you haven't seen, this is our fourth one. I think this is our fourth one. We've done Italy, Spain, Germany, right? So we had like some really interesting snack boxes. It's been hit and miss. I feel like either I like everything and he hates it or vice versa, so we'll see. I've got my liquid IV. You didn't bring a drink. I guess we can share. Use my code. Minners is right beside the camera, so if he knocks it over, that's all him. Okay, so this box is from Turkey. I'm really excited. I have never had Turkish snacks at all. And look, you didn't see this.
Oh, there's a cat.
He's got his kitty. There you go. That's a little booklet. And the sticker's cute too. It says, I had yum kebabs in Turkey. Let's go ahead and get into it. These are crispy, turtikli.
Something about a taco.
Turtikli, something like that. I don't know what these are supposed to taste like, but what is that, peppers?
Spice cracker chips seasoned with Turkey's famous spice blend.
You can tell us a little bit about it.
Do you love plain, boring snacks?
Do not read the paragraph.
If so, well, you're going to seriously hate.
That's interesting.
That reminds, okay, you know the, when you open up a bag of the
Seasoning?
No, the
Bouillon
pretzels
cubes.
that have the cheese in them, and they're supposed to taste like pizza.
Combos.
Thank you. That's what that smells like.
It tastes a little bit like pizza Pringles. I rate that 5 out of 10.
Oh, we're doing numbers now?
We're gonna rate them this time.
This many.
6, 7 out of 10? Which was it?
What's my scale?
Of 10. 10 being amazing, 1 being absolute trash.
It's like an 8.
Okay. These are Auto Nuts, as in O-T-T-O, hello! Yellow chickpeas. So they're salted roasted chickpeas. I don't think I've ever eaten just chickpeas. I've had like hummus. It kind of went powdery in my mouth.
Yeah.
I give it like a 4 out of 10. 3. This is Lush Mosaic Cocoa Cream Cookies. There we go. Cookie. Look how cute. Cover your face with your cookie. Cover your face with your cookie. Look.
Oh.
You went full speed ahead.
Just dive in.
That was good. I give those like 8 out of 10.
Those are really good.
These are Bebeto Watermelon Jelly Gum. I'm not a fan of like fake watermelon. Like I'll eat a piece of real watermelon, but the watermelon candy I can't do.
Turkey's most mouth-puckering watermelons.
Oh, they're sour.
Yes.
Are you hiding your face?
I'm reading the information.
You're literally hiding your lack of beard.
Okay, so those are not sour. Those are actually pretty good, very sweet.
As watermelon candy goes, this is pretty good.
There's a light sourness to it.
I don't even feel like they're sour. They're just like a little tangy. I've never liked watermelon candy this much. I give those like 6 out of 10.
7.
We've got a Snowball. It's not the taste, consistency. This is the Today Snowball with coffee cavelli. There you go. I don't think I've ever had a Snowball. Hostess Snowball? I don't think I've ever had one.
I'm not missing much.
Look at that.
So, Turkish coffee is specially made with unfiltered coffee beans, which are ground into a fine powder.
Oh my God. Take a small bite, because the rest is mine. Oh my God.
That's okay. It's okay.
It was so good.
Enjoy.
Now we have tahini halva. It just says vanilla.
Go ahead and try it, and then I'll tell you.
No!
No, you have to try it, and then I'll tell you. Because you're going to try it regardless, right? So try it first, and then I'll tell you what the pamphlet says.
Sesame seeds.
Yes.
One out of 10. That's okay, because the cake made up for everything. Everything could be trash and I'd still be happy. What do you rate it?
0.5.
Oh, the Snowball was a 10 out of 10, by the way. We got 2 tiny treats. These are Toffix Mastic.
Oh,
Toffee
nice.
candy with mastic flavor. What is that?
Rare Turkish phenomenon.
-5.
Is this pine?
Locals are obsessed with the gummy sap and all of its refreshing piney glory.
Yeah, that's an air freshener right there. Yeah, some people smoke in their vehicles and they put the air fresheners up, like the pine ones. If you rip that down and bite into it, that's probably what they do.
Because it's smoky and piney.
It's a mistake is what it is.
The Snowball should have been last because this last couple things are just ugh. We got one more thing. It's also Toffix called Mellow Mellow.
Melon and lime chew.
Melon.
Honeydew like
This is way better than the other thing, but I still don't like it. I give this like a 2 out of 10. Maybe 3. I wish I had saved the rest of my Snowball to the last.
pretty good.
It's
About
alright.
6.
I don't love melon flavored stuff either, but that's pretty good. The watermelons are pretty good. I might even have one more, and I don't normally like watermelon, so that's impressive. These little cookies are good. Again, I like the sweet stuff most. So I like the Snowball. So this is my #1. The second, the little mosaic cookies.
These were fantastic. These were interesting. So definitely chips, then watermelon gummies.
That's everything for our Universal Yums box for this month from Turkey. I saw some spoilers for like different locations. Really interesting. I can't wait to get the other ones.
Yeah, it's like Texas and
I
Guatemala.
need more of these. Those Snowballs? Ooh. Oh, I call them Snowballs. Oh my god, Snur. Okay, well I hope you guys enjoyed. Thank you so much for hanging with us for a little bit.
Please like, comment, and subscribe if you aren't already. Also share to friends and family and share to the internet. Wow.
Okay, thank you guys for watching and I'll see you later. Bye guys. Do you want to say bye, pretty girl? Do you want to say, whoa?
She said bye.